Hello, guys, and welcome back to Small Talk Conversation between Modi ji and Rahul ji. First of all, this is just for learning English, so do not take it seriously. So let's get started. Rahul ji, how are you? I have been meaning to ask you, what's your take on the current state of our economy? देखिए मोदी जी, I am doing well. Thanks for asking. As for the economy, I think we need to focus on creating more jobs and investing in our youth. I agreed, but don't you think our initiatives like Make in India and Startup India are already addressing those issues? Those are good start, but we need to do more to support small business and farmers. They are the backbone of our economy. Uh, Mitro, I understand your point, but we have also made significant strides in infrastructure development and digitization. देखिए मोदी जी, yes, but we need to ensure that these developments benefit all Indians, not just a select few. We need to work towards a more inclusive growth mode. Rahul Baba, I think we share the same goals, but different on the approach. Perhaps we can discuss this further over a cup of tea. A chai pe charcha. I do like that Modi ji. Who knows? We might find some common ground. If you enjoyed this story, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest stories. Thanks for watching. See you very soon. Take care.